Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Yes, back. We have here the additional of today's newspaper of Friday, December the 20th, 2024. In this additional, we have seven extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the latest Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku, two jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star in Dutch, they call it Saiva block, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah. Otherwise, it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So total of 7 puzzles on a day. Yes, that's a lot of puzzles. Alright, first one is a 3-star Sudoku number 9781. 9781. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. 29 printed digits. Well, usually the 3 stars has 25. This one has 4 digits more. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars puzzle I need to be faster than 13 minutes. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Question is this a 3 stars or a 0 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. We have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there, here or there. We see another 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below. The only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column 3 in the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the third column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Alright. How about the 1 in the third row? 1 in the second row, so the first row. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1. I need a 1 here. Cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Okay. Then need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 5 here. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 in these 2 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 5 in this column. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 5 should be here. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row, so the third row. Only place level 5 should be here. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there, we have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5, 5. Okay, now I cannot continue with the 5. I need to wait. How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this third column, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 or 9, 8 or 9. Let me mark those. I need a 3 here. Alright. 2 there. Need a 3 here. 2, 4, 7. Okay, and now And now, need a 9 here, need a 9 there, yeah. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 in those 2 boxes, so the 9 in this big square. Could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 now in the first row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. 8 goes there. I need a 9 here. Now I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. 2 missing numbers now in the first row for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And we have a pair. 2 and the 7 in the first row. 2 and the 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row. The only place left for the 4 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in the middle column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in the 7, we have a 2 now in this column, so no 2 there, 2 should be here. 7 goes there. Then, let me see. Yeah, I need a 5 there. Still, I need a 5 there. How about the 2s? Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can't see it. Number 2, okay. How about the 3 and 8? Come on. 3 there. Need 7 there, need a 7 here. Come on, 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so the column 3. The only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1. Okay, now I cannot continue with 1. How about the number? 3, 8, and the 7. 3, 8, and the 7 there. Come on. 8. I'm thinking the 9 there. 9, 4. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left for the 4 should be there, so 2 numbers left in the middle row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So, need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. How about 3, 8, and 7. I'm stuck here. What's happening? 8 and 9. 3, 2. 7 here. Need a 1 here. 2, 3, you need 4 here. 4, 4. Okay. So the 9, 8, and the 7 is missing. We need a 7 in this first column. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. So the only place left with 7 in the first column should be there. So the 9 and the 8 are left here. 9 and 8. Need a 7 there. Okay. Need a 1. Need a 3. 3, 3. 1, 3. And I need a 4. 3, 4, okay. 9, 8, need a 4 here. 9, 8, 4. Come on. Well, let me put some numbers. These 2 missing numbers in this big square. Numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8, okay. So 3, 8, and the 5. 3. 3 and the 8. We have here in this row. So here can it not be 3 and 8. We have 3 missing numbers, 3, 8, and a 5. So this box should be a 5 then. The other 2 should be the 3 and 8. Let me mark those. And a 7. I need a 7 here. Yeah, we need a 7 there. 7 in the last row. 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the row above. So that row, the only place left with 7 should be there. Need a 7 there also. 3, 8, and the 7. Here, 3, 8, and I need a 7 here, 7 there. 1, 2, 3. 1 is missing. Here could be 1. There could be 1. We need a 4. Here can be a 4. Here could be a 4. Here could be a 4. And I need a 5. Yeah, 5 in this column. 5 in the second column. So the third column. Only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. The 4 goes together with the 9 is pair. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 8. So the 8 in the first column should be there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 8. We have 4 now in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. We have a pair in this row. The 7 and 8 in this row. The 7 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. That means 1 digit left in this big square. For number, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So 1 box left now in this big square for number 1. And 3 or an 8. We have a 3 in the last row, so this box should be an 8. This box, 3 on 8. We have an 8 now, so this box should be a 3. 3 on 8. We have 3 now, so this box should be an 8. 7 and 8. We have 8 now in this column, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Wow. Definitely a 0 stars. Maybe I talked too much in the beginning. But we solved it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.